Hi friends! In this video, I'll show you the tallest teepee in the world. It's located in Medicine Hat, Alberta, right on the Trans-Canada Highway, and is the most visible landmark in town. This teepee was originally built for the 1988 Olympics and was put in the Calgary Stadium to house the Olympic flame. After that, it was moved to the Saamis archaeological site in Medicine Hat and was named the Saamis Tepee, also known as the tallest teepee in the world. Inside this teepee, you can see 10 paintings, each of which represents the history of the First Nations people. This is the Circle of Unity by Nona Foster. It represents the unity of all people and all things in the universe. This is First Peoples Today by Marilyn Fraser King. It depicts the native culture being remembered by singing their songs, telling their stories, and feeling the power of the Northern Lights. This is the Métis of the Plains by Nona Foster. It represents two human cultures coming together and emerging as a new and distinct people. This is Treaty Number 7 by Henry Standing Alone. Treaty 7 was signed by the 5 Blackfoot chiefs and the Queen's government in 1877. It was a promise that the Blackfoot would be ensured their survival as long as the sun shines, grasses grow, and rivers flow. This is The Arrival of the Europeans by Marilyn Fraser King. This is The Plains Indians by Many Bears, representing the relationship between man and nature's survival. This is Plains Cree Ceremonies by Robert Anderson. The 4 ribbons represent the 4 directions, and the peace pipe is lit to call upon the spirit powers. This is Plains Cree Way of Life by Nona Foster. In the center, the scene shows preparation for colder days to come. The bottom half shows traditional outfits, and the top half, the animals that share the land. This is the Blackfoot Confederacy by Henry Standing Alone. It depicts the things that are important to Blackfoot people. And finally, this is The Legend How Medicine Hat Got Its Name by Joseph Hind Bull. It's a long story about a man and his wife and a headdress made of eagle feathers. Since the story was told, this area became known as Eagle Tail Feather Headdress or Medicine Hat. Thanks for watching!